Hi everyone, I'm Tien and I used to work as a seafarer from 2014 till the previous COVID pandemic. I this is the right time to finish the life of traveling and I decided to start coding with Code School, and this is one of my reasons to be here. First of all, Code School is a partnership of Facebook development cycle in Vietnam. That's why I start my new life with the full complete quarantine for further future. My final project is about e-commerce web app with full flow of communication between admin and user. But why ChepCo? Because of ChepCo is my friends, and that's why I accomplished to make this website for her business to be complete. And for my time, I want my working and efforts to be grow in the reality. For the front end side, I'm using React and Redux with Tongue. For the back end side, I'm using Node.js, Express.js, MongoDB, and Mongoose. And let's see what I have after 2 weeks. My landing page from Chep Co. In the beginning, you can see all the product from Chep's is here, or you also can see all the packages by the down part. If you more curious, you can click on each item to see the detail. Like this. Okay. And, for the e-commerce website, we should make the communication and transaction. So forth. For the communication, here is the part you can contact with Chep by their Instagram or by their Facebook. Or most importantly, you can talk with Chep by here in the Chep Messenger. You can, if you have any question, you can continue as guest here. We send some message. And then in the chat admin, they can receive your message and they answer. Tell and then you can see that you receive the message here from chatbot. But to order the products from ChepCo, you have to be logged in as a member of Chep. If you want to have an order account, you can sign up for the new account here, or you can sign in as with your Google account. There you are. Okay. Let's shopping some nut milk. Okay. And in the corner, you can see that you already add 3 items to the cart. And let's see what we have in the cart. In here, if you want to change your mind again, you can change the update number, confirm that. You can see in the corner is 5, or you don't like this one, you can remove this. You're happy with all this products, you can send the information here. Phone number. Yes. In the user dashboard, you already can see on your order, special but still pending order. So let's see what we have in the admin side. So for the admin roles, you can see on the order in the order list, and of course we see time is here with the amount, and the status is pending, and also you can see their phone number in this information, so you can contact with them, ask for the confirmation of the order, and then you tell them how to make the transactions. After you receive the money from them, you can click here to make the order become paid. So automatically in the admin dashboard, you can see all the order already consumed and become your revenue is here. Besides that, the admin roles also can see on the product list in like this, and which on this one you can do with the 4 basic functions of persistent storage, like you can add more products in the further future in here, or you can edit the product by this. You want to change this price, right. Okay. You update that, the price will be updated, become 90,000 in here. That's pretty much update my web applications.